Right now, sentiment around space is sitting at a striking minus 0.80 with a 24-hour momentum of minus 0.40. This is particularly unusual when you consider the historical baseline. We've rarely seen such a dip in sentiment, especially with today's excitement around new missions and technological breakthroughs. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis based on this data, including insights into 18 semantic clusters that help you understand the nuances behind the numbers. Imagine integrating this into your application to trigger alerts when sentiment shifts dramatically. Whether you're building a space news aggregator or a dashboard for enthusiasts, this data can add real-time relevance to your platform. For more insights and to see how you can leverage this in your projects, visit pulsebitlojenterprise.com/docs. Don't miss out on understanding what drives sentiment in the space sector.